Roofs are constantly exposed to the elements. Over time, moss, algae, and lichen begin to grow across the tiles. Not only does this affect the appearance of the roof, it also traps moisture against the surface, which can shorten the life of the tiles. And that's where the opportunity lies. There is a growing demand for professional roof cleaning, and with the right training and the right equipment, you can take advantage of this opportunity. The Ionic Roof Wand has been developed to provide a safer, more efficient way to clean and protect roofs. Using a supported extendable pole system, professionals can work safely from the ground without walking on fragile roof tiles or relying on scaffolding or expensive access platforms. The roof is cleaned using multiple spray nozzles that direct controlled water pressure down onto the tiles, removing moss, dirt and debris with ease while keeping your feet safely on the ground. Once the roof has been cleaned, the next step is to apply a biocide treatment, preventing the moss from growing back. To provide a complete service, a protective roof sealant can be applied. The sealant forms a breathable protective layer, repelling water and prolonging the life of the roof. The Ionic Roof Wand is more than just a roof cleaning system. It's a complete roof care solution, enabling contractors to clean, treat and protect roofs safely, efficiently and professionally. Join the growing network of roof care specialists certified by the BWCA. Clean a real roof, instructed by industry professionals, leaving you with the skills and knowledge required to start a successful roof cleaning business.